video, I'll be explaining to you how you can easily check your NECO results using your own mobile phone, like using your personal phone. How to check your NECO result is a very simple way and it's a very simple process. So go to your Chrome, yes, or any search engine you have on your phone. Actually, it may not only be your Chrome, it may be your Opera Mini, maybe Phoenix. So go in there, log into it, and let's dive into it. If you actually find this video interesting, you find it helpful, you find it useful, please at the end of this video, you can appreciate me with anything, either by sharing the video to a friend or to somebody who also need it, or by giving me a like thumb or giving me a nice comment. I really appreciate that. So how do we check it? Now go to your search engine of any of your browser you are using. It depends. So what are you going to search? You're going to search results.neco.gov.org. Results.neco.gov.org is already here on my search engine. Please look at it very well. There is a mistake students used to make. When they press that results, they will not put S. Initially, the website NECO are using to check student results did not used to have S before. It is just ordinary results.neco.gov.ng. But now you have to put S. That is, NECO has advanced in their results, in their websites rather. So this then, let's dive into it. Click on it. After clicking on it, we have this. What is the meaning of this? This says notice, dear user. This is to inform the general public that henceforth our result checker or token anyone would be used to check a candidate's result once and for 5 times. That is, you cannot use another token to check the same result again. Please take note of that. Any further checks of the same result would require the use of NECO e-verify result verification portal to verify or confirm such result. Best regard, the NECO team. Now, what is the meaning of this? In summary, this thing means that when you already have your token with you, right? So you can come here to check, you want to check your result, and if you don't know how to get a token, I've made a video of how to explain the way you can easily get a token. So meaning that this particular notice means that if you have your token with you, you can only use the token to check your results 5 times. Everybody knows that. Even the one for WAEC too as well. The scratch card for WAEC, you can only use it to check your result 5 times. A single result 5 times. Not maybe you and your friend that wrote NECO. You cannot use your token to check the both of you results. You can only use your own to check your own result, but 5 times. Meaning that if you check it the first time and let's say maybe your network did not show it up, you can just still retry it again. You can still retry it again and again, making 5 times. So after that 5 times, that token has expired. Meaning that you can no longer use that token again after that 5 times. So what they are saying here from this notice is that after you have exhausted the token 5 times, then let's now say maybe after 2 years, you now want to recheck the result again and use it for your admission anyway, in any way you need it. If that happens and you have lost the previous one you printed, anything can happen. If that happens, you now go ahead to buy another token again. To check the same result, you have already used a token to check 5 times initially, meaning that you can no longer do that again. That is, you cannot buy 2 tokens to check a single result. That is the meaning in essence. You cannot use 2 tokens to check a single result. That is the meaning of all these things in summary. So if you have exhausted a particular token to check a result, the next thing you are going to do is to move to this e-verify result verification portal, which is not an easy thing to do. It's not what you can do yourself. You need to give it to an expert to be able to do about that. Or in case you're in that category, you're in that shoe, just send a DM to me and let me assist you on that. So now let's dive into our business of the day. We will click on agree and continue. After clicking on agree and continue, you can see here this is a NECO website. Say check results. This is already check results here. So what are you going to do? You come here and enter your examination here. Apparently this is going to be 2024 because this video is made in 2024 for students who want to check their 2024 results. So you have here, you can start checking from year 2000 to year 2024. So if you want to check a 1999 result, I'm sorry, you cannot use this particular method to check such results. So let's click 2024. After clicking on it, then you have your examination type. Yes, we have 5 different examination type you can check. We have the SSC internal, SSC external, BC, NCEE, and gifted. What does this SSC internal mean? SSC internal is for candidates who want to check a result he or she wrote when she was in SS3. That is the result. The exam you wrote when you were still putting on school uniform. That's the meaning of internal. External means NECO GC. You know, in NECO GC you wear mufti. You don't wear school uniform to the exam. This is BC. This BC means basic examination certificate in education. So this one is for GSS3, basically called junior Y. Then we have NCEE. That one actually go for those basic 5 or basic 6, for example. And we have the one for gifted. So the one that concerns us most is this SSE internal. So let's click on it. After clicking on it, then click on token. These are the saved token I've used for so many students some years ago, and it has been used apparently. But let me just click on one of them. It has already been used. It has been there on my Google Chrome for many years. So let's count how many digits is this token. I think this should be 12 digits. Let's say 336. Yeah, this is a 12-digit number. So any token you are entering here, make sure that it is apparently 12 digits. If it's more than 12 digits, so that you are entering a wrong thing. Okay, and for those of you who want to maybe buy your token, you don't know how to buy it. Actually, I've made a video on how to get it, but still yet, if you don't know how to go about it, so just send the message to the number displaying on your screen. Send a WhatsApp message to the number displaying on your screen. So come to our WhatsApp, and they're going to sell a token for you at a very cheaper price. So now the next thing is to have your registration number. I've saved some kind of registration number here. So let me just apparently click on one. So you're having this. Make sure that your examination number, also known as registration number, anyone you call it, for NECO, please take note for NECO. It will be on your photo card, NECO photo card. So, and it always ends with 2 alphabets. It is a 10-digit number with 2 alphabets. Let's count this one. This is 3331. That is a 10-digit number with 2 alphabets. Take note of it. So after having this, what do? Then we click on check result. If you click on check result, definitely your result is going to display on this particular screen. Yes, exactly. So that is a simple way to check your NECO result. You can take a screenshot of it after doing that, or you can download or print the result as a PDF to your phone. Anyone, you will see the page for you to print the result on your web page. So that's everything about how to check your NECO 2024 or any year you want to check. That's how to go about it. If you find this video helpful or you find this video good for you, just give us a like up, appreciate us with anything. And in case you want to upload these results to your JAMB portal also, still send a message to our WhatsApp number displayed on your screen, and we'll help you to do that. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful result ahead. Bye.